Hi guys, welcome to our channel. The ingredients you'll need to make the bignolati are olive oil, Italian sausage, dough, and ricotta. Now we start off by decasing the sausage. We used about 2 to 3 links. On a board, drizzle the olive oil so that the dough doesn't stick. Roll the dough until it is completely flat like a pizza, as you see in the clips. The next thing you do is add the pieces of sausage and the ricotta. You need to make sure that it is even throughout and covers all the dough, like you see in the picture now. But to make the bignolati, you roll the dough into 3 to 4 inch length pieces, using olive oil to form the shape easier, and place them in a baking tray. The last thing you do is put the bignolati in the oven for 30 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe.